Good morning from the West Coast. From the cockpit of Corvette Mike. Am I sitting in your next Corvette? In a mere couple hours, this 67 Corvette 435 is going to sell on Bring a Trailer. As a teenager, I lusted after these cars, never dreaming that I would ever have the opportunity to buy one. This particular 67 is an amazing vehicle. Don't forget to bid. If you have any questions, please call us at the shop. We're standing by to answer any questions that you may have about purchasing this car. The auction arena has gone wild around the world purchasing collector vehicles. It's a great way to buy. This way you get to see who you're buying it from with a sterling reputation of over 42 years. Good luck with the bidding. Signing off.